Assalamu alaikum grade 1 children. Today in this video children we are going to cover the page number 23, 24, 25 and 26 also children. No children, only till 25. We will cover the 3 pages 23, 24 and 25. Here on the page number 23, AKE, egg family, egg. Children, the word egg. Here in this 4 sentences, it is a small kind of poem also you can say it. In this, all red color words, they are come under the egg family. See here, teacher is going to read for you the words, let us bake a cake, bake cake, A-K-E, A-K-E, egg, and eat it when we make, M-A-K-E, make, egg, A-K-E, make, a trip to the lake, biscuits too we will take. Here, see children, here is the picture given. In this picture, the children, they are come for the trip. What is trip children? Trip, it is a trip. Trip, it is a picnic children. And where they come? They come near the lake. This water body, no, it is known as lake. In last lesson, I explained what is lake. Here children, these 2 children, they are saying what? Let us bake a cake. They are baking the cake. Why? Because they are going to trip. That is for the picnic. A trip to the lake, biscuits too we will take. They want to take some biscuits also. So, in this picture, these 2 children, they are on the picnic. For the same, we can say it is a treat children. What is the meaning of treat? Treat is a surprise gift or event which gives us happiness or the pleasure. And here lake, I said you children. What is lake? You can easily see in this picture and can understand the lake. Baking, you know children. Baking is a one kind of cooking only, but it is different from frying and other things. But here the baking, we can do it in the oven only. Sometimes in the olden days, the people, they were baking the things on stove also. But baking in this oven, it is better children. So here we will see the practice zone. We have to circle the words which comes under the AKE, egg family. It is a treat to make a cake. In first sentence children, 2 words we have to circle. Number 1 is make and number 2 is cake. I like to go to the lake, L-A-K-E, lake. Circle the word lake. Let us bake muffins. Here in third sentence, B-A-K-E, bake, we are circle the word, we have to circle the word bake. Here muffins are there children. Muffins, what they are? They are the small cakes. Cupcakes, you know no children? It is known as muffins. Now come on the page number 24 children. Here in this page, on this page children, ALE, L family. Here the 4 pictures are given. First one, the picture, it is of a whale. Second one, children, it is of the cell. Third one, it is of the tail, T-A-L-E, tail. And the fourth picture, it is of a tail. In last lesson, in last video also, I said you about this, all children. Now, here, this fish, it is known as a whale. Then, here the sail, picture of a sail, children. And here these two children, they are seeing in the storybook and they are reading the story. And if this story, it is known as tale also, T-A-L-E. Then children, the bread is stale. जो bread बासी हो जाता है उसको stale बोलते हैं. Children, here we have to fill the words in this sentence. So here we will see the whatever it is given in the picture, the same pictures here also they are given. You have to find out the correct word for that. Let us read a fairy tale. Then the bread looks stale. ये ब्रेड जो है स्टेल है, बासी लग रहा है, खराब हो गया है. This is a whale. Let us go to the set. So this you have to do in the textbook, these words. Here, come on the page number 25, children. Here, A-L-L, all family. Here, the words which are ending with the A-L, all these four words it is given. In number 1, ball is there. Number 2, mall. Number 3, fall. And hall. We will see here is the picture of a mall. This girl, she went to mall. And what she brought from the mall? She brought the ball. But what happened, children? She had a fall. She had a nice fall. Here is the C, children. Third line. But she had a great fall. The first sentence, she had a from the mall, no, she brought a ball. Then children, while playing the ball in the hall, she had a fall. Teacher is going to read for you. Tina had a nice ball that she got from the mall. But she had a great fall while playing in the hall. Here, all these words, ball, mall, fall and hall. All these, they end with the A-L-L. This is known as the all family word. Here in this puzzle, children, we just have to find out the three words which are ended with the A-L-L. Here the first one is hall, H-A-L-L, hall. Second is F-A-L-L, fall. You have to circle them. Then third one is B-A-L-L, ball. Teacher already circled them. You only have to do in your textbook. Teacher will send you the picture. Children, today we are going to end here only. In this video, teacher showed you 3 letters words, A-K-E, egg. The next one is the A-L-E-L and A-L-L, all. These words, they are in the lesson with the red color. You have to learn them and practice them. Picture also it is given so you can understand them very easily what they are. So Assalamu alaikum children, Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.